Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I have missed you guys. I hope you're all keeping safe and keeping well. We are officially in autumn, guys. It's not my favorite season, but I do love the autumn fashion, and I also like to see when the trees start to change color. That's mostly what I like about autumn, but never mind, we're just gonna enjoy it and take it as it comes. I hope you guys had an amazing summer and you're looking forward to an even more amazing autumn. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be about a foundation that I have tried. This is my second time trying this foundation, guys, and I have to say I am truly loving this foundation. Okay, it's none other than the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a small tube like that, and it's a 30 ml foundation. It's a very small tube. It's perfect for traveling, and of course, you know, it comes in 16 shades, so you might or you might not find your shade, but I picked up 2 shades. So what I did is mix them together, and it actually worked for me because this one is darker and this one is on the lighter side. So what I do is like do half and half of each, and I sort of mix them together until I get the desired shade. And that's mostly what I do with my foundations. I can never find anything that suits me down to the T, so I'm constantly mixing. Just call me the chemist because I'm always mixing and matching. So I bought the shade Caramel, and I also bought the shade Cappuccino. Now guys, I'm going to insert a video of when I applied this foundation. I wore it today, I wore it for lunch. I'm going to insert a video somewhere, either here or here, to show you when I applied this foundation. I applied it about 12:40, and now let me take my watch off so I can show you. And now this is the time, guys. This is now the time, and I am still wearing the foundation. Guys, let me give you the lowdown on this foundation. This is the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation. I bought these on Amazon and they were much cheaper than the actual site, than the actual Revlon site. I think it's $14.99 on the actual site, and I paid $9.99 for these on Amazon. So sometimes you have to check with Amazon or eBay if you want to find cheaper prices. Now guys, this is a very small tube. It's a 30 ml tube. It's very small, it's lightweight, and you can just chuck it in your bag and you're good to go. So it's very travel friendly as well, and I love the fact that it comes in tubes. This comes in 16 shades, you guys, which is not bad. It's not bad for a foundation, and I'm going to read the claims to you guys so you can actually, you know, get familiar. So basically it says here, it's a full matte coverage. It gives a full matte coverage without any of the typical heaviness. This full cover foundation legit feels lightweight. It lasts all day and all night. Now I don't know about the all night because I wore this all day, so I can say it actually does last. You guys, it does not feel heavy on my face. When I applied it, it went on smoothly, it went on evenly, and it blended out really well. It feels like a mousse almost when I blended it out, and it felt so good. My face didn't feel dry. Even though it's a matte foundation, my skin was not dry at all. I made sure to moisturize, which is important. You moisturize first, and then if you wish, you can add your primer. I always use a primer because I want to make sure that, you know, my foundation sticks to my skin. So after applying my primer, I applied these two right here, and I mixed them. You will see the video, guys. I will insert a video to show you how I applied it, and of course I blended it out on my face, and it gave me a really nice coverage. And as you can see, guys, you might see a little bit of shine peeking through, but that's just a healthy glow. It's not separating at all. There's no separation at all on my face. It just looks nice and healthy, and I actually love how long it lasted on my face. I did not blot, not even once. There was no blotting involved, and usually when I wear foundations, I'm constantly blotting to make sure that I get rid of the oily spots. But this, I did not blot, you guys, and it's over 5 hours, going on to 6 hours, and it still looks good. It's just a healthy shine. So you guys, I know I say this quite often about foundations, but this is a drugstore foundation, you guys, or shall I say more affordable foundation. So I wasn't expecting much from it, but it actually works in my skin, and I am loving the results I get from this foundation. So yes guys, that's all I'm going to say to you. I didn't want to come and say too much. I just wanted to test it out and show you guys. I just wanted to give you a little bit of knowledge about this foundation, just in case you're on the market for a new foundation, and if you have oily skin like myself, you might want to try something that's matte and long lasting without making your face too cakey or too heavy. I would say go ahead and try this foundation. It's affordable. It's not high end. Of course, a lot of people are very like bougie when it comes on to foundation. I am one of them, but I'm willing to try a foundation that provides everything I am looking for. And this foundation does everything that I wanted. So guys, I am in love with this foundation. I would give it a 9, just because I always think that there's always room for improvements. And so I will give this foundation a 9. At the moment, I'm really loving it. I love the finish. I love how it makes my skin look. I don't know how it's looking to you. On your side, it might be looking a bit shiny, but remember that I have a ring light, so it's a lot of light coming onto my face, so it might look a bit shiny, but I promise you it's not shiny. It's not oily. It's just a nice glow. That's how I like to put it. It's a nice glow. So guys, I really like how this foundation works. It's truly a great foundation if you are looking for something affordable. I've been talking to you and my lips have been dry. But there we go. So guys, if you're looking for a foundation that's matte, long lasting, glides on easy, and it's not heavy on your face, I would say go ahead and check this foundation out. You can find it almost anywhere. I got mine from Amazon, as I said, so go ahead and check there if you wanted to, because it's more expensive if you buy it from the actual site. So go ahead and check out Amazon if you're looking to try this foundation out. Okay my lovely, so that will do for today. I do hope you found this video helpful. I know a lot of you are always looking for new foundations, or you want to switch, you want to switch to something else, or you have problematic skin like me. I always try to find affordable foundations, or even if it's not affordable, I always try to find foundations that works to, for skins like mine. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you plan on trying this foundation, or if you're intrigued by this video and what I've said about the foundation. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I do hope you found it helpful. As I said, don't forget to thumbs up the video. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so this is going to be the last check-in for this video. I'm about to take my makeup off, but I just wanted to show you guys what my skin is looking like at the moment. It's a bit shiny here, but it's not so bad considering it's that time of the evening. Can you see? It's 20 minutes to 8 in the evening. All right, and this is what my face is looking like at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup because it's full time. I've been wearing this for 7 hours maybe. Yeah, so this is a result of it. I love this foundation. Make sure that you go and check it out. Mwah. Bye.